It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have another Born Pretty swatch, and as I usually do the swatches on swatch sticks, today I'm going to be doing my nails with it. So they sent me these 6 colors. They are beautiful, vibrant, popping, all of that. And here I was looking at the colors and I'm like, how can I use all 6 of these colors? So I decided to do a vertical ombre with them, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that in this video. I decided to pair them up in 3s. So that first set that I just showed you, I'm going to put the green, the blue, and the purple on my left hand, and the orange, the magenta, and the red, I'm going to put those 3 on my right hand. So here on my right hand, I'm going in with the orange on my pinky, the magenta on my middle finger, and the red on my thumb. And then on my pointer and ring finger, they're going to be half of half. So it's going to look like, you know, the color is just, you know, slowly changing as you go from my pinky to my thumb. So doing this design was really fun. And if you guys recreate it or try it out with different colors, definitely tag me in it on Instagram. I have been trying to post more on my Instagram page, so definitely tag me. I would love to, you know, repost some of you guys' work and shout out, you know, your pages or your channels or anything like that. So definitely tag me if you recreate anything that you see me do. So after I did that, I'm going in with this magenta pink, and this color is so pretty. When I do my toes again, I think I'm going to use this color because this is like my favorite color out of the set. And in a previous video, I was trying to figure out how to do the ombre with the gels. But in this video, I'm going to show you the ombre brush that I got from Amazon. I believe it came in this little set of brushes. And for this look, I, you know, figured out how to use the brush so that I could get that nice vertical ombre. So now I'm going in on my left hand with the green, the blue, and the purple. And I am going to do 2 coats of my solid colors and 2 coats of my ombre. Now, if you want to see how I put these nails on, these are the Beetles tips and glue gel kit from Amazon. So definitely check out that video to see how I just instantly had these awesome nails. I didn't have to do any shaping or anything like that. I just applied the tips. So this is definitely a method that I am going to be using more often, just so that I can cut down my application time, because doing nails on yourself, for me, it takes a long time. So by doing this method, I had more time to focus on my design instead of, you know, putting all that time into applying the acrylic or, file and shape, and by the time I'm done with all of that, I don't want to do no design. So this was really fun, and it gave me an opportunity to try a longer and kind of narrow shape. And now I know that I don't necessarily like this shape, but it was a great experience. So I think my next set, I'm going to still go a little bit longer, but I want that coffin to be a little less narrow. And of course, I keep my alcohol handy so I can clean up. If you have a hard time painting your nails, it might be easier to get a press-on stand and create this look like I do my, press-on nails and things like that. It might be easier to create the look on there and then glue the nails on after that. So it's really up to you. It's a preference. So here, back on the left hand, on the left and right of that middle finger, I am going in with the blue, and then I'm going to put the green and the purple. So now I'm going in on the other side with that green. And I like to wipe off the brush before I put it back, just so I don't get any blue inside of my bottle. So now I'm going to add that purple. And now I'm going to go in with this ombre brush. And at first I was trying to get the hang of it, but I noticed if I just rub the brush along the line a couple of times, it will kind of fade it out. Then of course I did another coat just to make sure that everything was nice and full looking. But with these polishes, really in one coat, like you couldn't see through it or anything. So I think the polishes were great. I just like to do 2 coats just because. But if you just want 1 coat, then of course, 1 coat was actually enough. It gave me enough coverage. So now that I have the hang of this ombre brush, I am about to be unstoppable, okay? I'm about to be ombreing everything with the gel polishes. So y'all just wait. Now I'm getting ready to do my ombre on the right hand, and of course on the left and the right of that pink, I'm going to go in with that on the fingers next to it. And then I'm going to repeat the same thing that I did on the previous hand. Add that red and the orange. For this hand, I kind of wish I would have put the orange in the middle so that you can really see the contrast between the colors, because the red and the pink side by side on the pointer finger, it's kind of hard to tell the difference. So if I did this again, I would do red, orange, and then the pink. And just like with the other side, I'm just going to use that brush to do my ombre. And then I dip it in the alcohol to clean it off before I go on the nail that has like a different color. And this is what they look like. I love them. They are just so pretty, and I haven't worn anything like this. So for me, it was very different, but after a day or two, they really grew on me and I didn't want to take them off. So now I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil. Of course, if y'all need some cuticle oil, let me know. I have multiple fruity, flavors or smells. So definitely check out my link in my description bar to Bella Hoot. And if not, you can just, send me a message or comment below and I can send you the link to where you can purchase. After you apply that cuticle oil and the nails are all moisturized, you are good to go. All you have to do is just rub that in, massage it in. You can't take your nail pictures and have crusty cuticles, okay? So that cuticle oil is very important. And it's great for you to apply every day, with you constantly washing your hands and using hand sanitizer and all of that. Having that cuticle oil that you can just apply throughout the day is a lifesaver. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I have. I still have the nails on. They have really held up. So definitely check out the video to see how I applied them. And the link to this polish set on Amazon will be in the description bar, so you can check that out as well. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's a wrap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.